Hey everybody, welcome back to Bearded Goblin Gaming. After Tuesday's video, I had a couple ideas for other fencing projects that would be really easy to do and can be done right alongside while you're waiting for other pieces to dry. So one of them, since you're already doing chain link, you're already gonna have your pieces cut. I was thinking, at the hardware store, you're gonna buy it in rolls. So my pallets are 1.25 inches long. So I'll just cut it at a angle and go about 1.25 inches and just cut yourself a bunch of strips. A bigger ruler. So once you got all those cut, and you're going to have most of them already cut if you're doing chain link anyway. I just take my scissors and straighten out the ends. And then you're going to take, come here, come on. Some of this, what is this, 30 gauge wire, nice and small, and just cut it down, cut yourself a chunk. And then all you're going to do is just roll up your chain link until you get it, well, as thick as you think it should be. I mean, it's all subjective, but whatever you feel the thickness should be. I usually go, I don't know, it's about 1/4 inch across there. But there's not very much left, so we'll just go ahead and roll it all the way real quick. Just take your wire, go around the center, give it a quick spin. Just nip off the extra and fold that in so you don't poke yourself. But even without painting, you got a nice chain link roll. And now it's up to you. If you want to use silver as your highlight, you can. The silver I have, the cheap bottle, doesn't cover well, so I just went with gray, and I think that looks pretty good. So then you can just take your palette and you can glue these down if you want and just stack them up. And then you just got some more quick scatter to throw out on the table and provide a little bit of cover. I mean, if your character's going to go prone or whatever they're going to do, they'll be able to hide behind that. Or if you're going to make them so they're like they're shipped, you can have them standing up on end and then just run a band all the way around them. So there's that one. The second one was the plastic contractors, the safety fencing that you can quick put out. I like to have a lot of variety in my scatter terrain, so all I'm going to do is take this fiber tape again, just cut ourselves out a chunk. And I tried doing this two ways. I tried painting it before and I tried painting it after. After seemed to work better. So all you're going to do is whatever height you want your fence. I went about 1.5 inches and just cut it right down. It's about 1 inch tall if you go right down the center on this stuff. So then I just went and I found myself some plastic off a old container. I'm just going to figure out how long I want to make it. And then I'm going to take my mini wooden sticks here. And I'm going to go just a little bit taller than what my fence is going to be. So I'm just going to aim for half, and I'll cut a couple of these up. Take my hot glue gun. Stick those on where I want them. If you're going for really long, you might want to space them out. If they're not too bad, just kind of, you know, one on each end works just fine. Then from there, if you want them angled like your fence is falling down, or you want it straight up, either way is going to look pretty good. Then, since it's already got some stick to it, oh, come on, just cool off. Just lay that across. Cut off your excess. I'm just going to go through, get that with a little super glue. I use crazy glue. This stuff, it's like a 2-pack for $2 at Walmart, if you can find it when it's in. Just give a little bit of super glue to help. Cheap dollar stuff, dollar store stuff works too. And from there, I'll let that dry so I don't ruin my brush. And then I'll come back, and I picked out, I didn't have a cheap orange, so here it is. I just used my old thing of blazing orange and just painted them up. This one here, I just left the sticks raw. You can't even see the bottom if the paint wasn't there. I did about 3 or 4 of these. This one I did green, so it's like the quick pound post, the metal uprights. This one here is kind of falling down a little bit. You can do some battle damage to them and stuff. And then for another pallet stacker, you can take this, and all you're going to do is just fold it a little bit, about an inch, a little bit less, and just make yourself a bundle. And then you just paint that orange too. Just take those and stack them up on your pallets. You can glue them down so they're easy to manage. Just some excess, some of the stuff from the Hesco barriers there. Just stack those up, paint those orange or whatever color you want your safety fence to be, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like. It really helps out trying to grow the channel. Subscribe if you want to, see what else is coming out. Tuesdays are going to be my main day, but I'll try and come out with random videos all the time. Thanks for watching. Bye.